November 12, 1996. The rural sky over Haryana would witness the deadliest mid-air collision in history. I'm Ajay, and this is the story of two planes, one airway, and a series of fatal misunderstandings that cost 349 lives. Saudi Arabian Flight 763 was a veteran Boeing 747 carrying 289 passengers from Delhi to Tehran. Approaching from the opposite direction was Kazakhstan Airlines Flight 1907, a Soviet-designed freighter with 37 people on board. The Saudi jet took off from Delhi's runway 28, cleared to climb to 10,000 feet. Routine, until the convergence began. Air traffic control established a critical 1,000-foot vertical gap. The Saudi jet at 14,000, the Kazakh at 15. But the Kazakh crew didn't stop at 15,000. They continued to descend, entering the exact corridor assigned to the Saudi jet. At the heart of this error was a wall of language. The Kazakh pilots relied entirely on a radio operator to translate ATC instructions. This translation lag created a deadly delay. While they converted meters to feet, situational awareness was slipping away. They were navigating through thick clouds and turbulence. Both crews were flying blind to the danger closing in at nearly 1,000 kilometers per hour. In 1996, Delhi's radar could see where the planes were, but not how high they were. The controller was essentially blind too. Worse, neither plane was equipped with TCAS, the system that gives pilots a direct command to climb or descend to avoid a hit. The controller saw them merging on a screen and issued a final warning. The Kazakh crew acknowledged, but they were still too low. 4 seconds before impact, the Kazakh radio operator realized the mistake and shouted for a climb. It was already too late. At 1840, the two giants collided. The left wing of the Ilyushin sliced through the heart of the Boeing 747. A passing US Air Force pilot reported the only thing he saw, a big fireball in the clouds. Then, silence. Debris rained down over 7 kilometers of farmland. 500 tons of metal brought the fields of Charkhi Dadri to a standstill. The headlines the next morning shocked the world. No survivors. 349 lives lost in a single instant. The investigation by the Lahoti Commission was exhaustive. It identified human error as the cause, but system failure as the catalyst. It proved that international aviation needed a common language. Charkhi Dadri forced the global adoption of strict English proficiency standards. India became a leader in safety, becoming one of the first to mandate TCAS on all commercial aircraft, a system that now prevents thousands of near misses. The disaster also led to a massive radar modernization, ensuring controllers could finally see a plane's altitude in real time. Out of the tragedy of Charkhi Dadri came a safer sky. Today, we fly in air corridors designed to never allow this head-on nightmare again. We've moved from the uncertainty of verbal reports to the absolute precision of modern digital flight decks. Modern air corridors are like multi-lane highways in the sky, separating arriving and departing flights by miles of safe space. We honor the victims of Charkhi Dadri by never forgetting the lessons they taught us. Aviation safety is written in the stories of those we lost. Subscribe to join us as we continue to break down the human and technical factors of flight. Check out our full series of investigations in the playlist below to learn more about the science of air safety. I'm Ajay Malik. Thank you for watching, and remember, in the sky, communication is the ultimate safety tool. See you in the next investigation. Safe flying.